Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2018. I'm joined by Marco from Kulicke Soffa. Marco, thanks for stopping by to chat. Give me a little bit of an update on what's going on with the business and what you've got here at Apex that's new.
Yeah, so at Apex we are here with our, let's say, former assembly on equipment. Maybe you remember from a couple of years ago when we were in Veldhoven introducing the new equipment. So since then we've been acquired by Kulicke Soffa. And really they brought us much faster than we could imagine into the advanced packaging world. Okay. So still without abandoning the regular SMT, we are doing product enhancements and developments. We're also speeding up our developments within the SIP, within the package on package, specifically for the advanced packaging market.
Okay. And when you look at the advanced packaging market and what's going on in the SMT market, miniaturization, the demand for connectivity for this kind of industry 4.0, there's a lot of similarities that a lot of the industries can learn. Has that really helped accelerate that development?
Yeah, for sure, because you see the miniaturization. If you look in the insides of an iPhone, like 5 years ago, there would be like 1,200 different pieces of components that had to be placed by a pick-and-place machine. If you open it up now, it's only 250 components. But inside those components, that's a system in a package. It has a die and a lot of numbers of passive components also. So the accuracy that we have in our equipment really enables this step in technology.
Okay. And specifically for SMT, what's new at this show for the US market?
Yeah, for the SMT we have two new product innovations. One is the iFlex T2. We have extended the feeder range, so we can have up to 43 times 2, so 86 number of feeder positions. And we have now also implemented an interface with a multi-part tray feeder. So also possible to have multiple different part numbers from tray. So really an ideal, multifunctional, high-speed quality machine.
And that's for the Highmix, lower volume market?
Correct. That's for the Highmix, high quality, lower volume market.
Yeah. And is that something you're seeing a lot of demand here? And also, if you look south of the border to Mexico, for example, different market there, some different demands. What are you seeing from customers generally?
Yeah, so from this proposition I just described is indeed for the Americas, for the America. In Mexico we see much more the big high volume automotive vendors. And there you see the trend that started already in Europe, in Germany, as the center of automotive, and now has been also propagated towards Mexico. That connectivity, traceability, connecting the factory is much more now also in Mexico going on. Okay. So there the quality and the connectivity are the key themes for Mexico.
Okay, and you mentioned connectivity. We're hearing a lot here about CFX standard and the Hermes standard. Are they things you're involved in and you're on board with?
Yeah, so we are involved in the Hermes protocol. We are doing the first implementations now. The rollout will be this summer, and also we joined the initiative for CFX, for the IPC. And I see that first those two were a little bit conflicting, but now we had a meeting in Erlangen, arranged at the Aegis headquarters in Germany, where both groups were there. So also the leadership of the CFX format and the guys from ASUS and ASM and the other participants for the Hermes.
Yeah, it's nice to see the industry collaborating so well on that. Marco, thanks for stopping by. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.